We are here to start the practical sessions of the DAD project. DAD stands for Design, Assemble and Dismantle. So we have 8 groups of students who have designed their structures earlier. Each group has 2 hours to assemble and dismantle their structures.
Well, the whole year was split up into different groups and we had to come up with a design for a space structure. Each team would come up with a design and then they give their design to another team and the other team had to build it basically.
2 groups out of these 8 had international collaboration with a group of Mexican students and another group of Iranian students. So this helps them to communicate and to assemble and dismantle a structure designed by someone else, similar to the real situation in industry.
This particular structure was designed by students from a Mexican university, and I think the students might have some challenges putting it up, but I believe they have what it takes to actually complete the work.
The plan for today is we're going to assemble a design that was made by a university in Iran. I'm pretty sure that we'll get it done.
I believe the environment that the DAD project creates for the students is quite unique. I haven't seen many other examples of using full-scale physical models. So they have the chance to play with the small scale and then design a large-scale structure.
It's one of the most interesting projects in civil engineering in year 1.
It sort of like made us appreciate each other's roles in the group.
I think we did pretty well. Like, we did half our team on one part of the structure and half on the other. As project manager, I realized you have to be on top of it all, like making sure the safety officer's checking everyone and communication-wise, so make sure everyone's talking with each other.
I'm so proud of what we did.
It's nice to see the design come to life.